Thank you for tuning in to the Brasel Real Estate Broadcast, where each week we will be covering today's real estate news, tips, tricks, and trends in the Kansas City real estate market. Hosted by the Brasel Real Estate Group at RE/MAX Heritage, out of Blue Springs, Missouri. And here's today's host.
Hi, this is Daniel Harwood. I'm going to be your host this week for the Brasel Real Estate Broadcast. I'm a realtor on the Brasel Real Estate Group here at RE/MAX Heritage. Now, we changed up our format this week and we did something a little different. The City of Blue Springs Parks and Rec Department was making a big change in introducing a big unveiling today of the Burrus Old Mill Park, where they completely renovated the playground and added a splash pad, which is now turning it into part of a water park. Also, this is a pretty amazing park here in Blue Springs. It's 14 acres. It's right off of Woods Chapel Road, and it's one of the oldest parks here in Blue Springs. Now, it's also the first one that offered a skate park. So the benefits you're going to see for some of the amenities of this park include a baseball park. They have a basketball court, a volleyball court, horseshoe pit, soccer practice area, 2 tennis courts, and the new updated playground. There's 2 shelters with tables and barbecue grills. Plus, again, there's a skate park you're going to see at the end of the video that we created. And check out the new splash pad. Your kids are going to love it. All right, tell us how you like this video. Enjoy.
Thanks for listening to the Brasel Real Estate Broadcast with the Brasel Real Estate Groups at RE/MAX Heritage. If you like our show and would like to keep up with our upcoming episodes, please like our Facebook page, the Brasel Real Estate Group, where we go live every Wednesday. Or you can find us on YouTube at the Brasel Real Estate Group page. To find out more about our real estate services, you can find us at www.braselrealestategroup.com or contact us at 816-897-5151. Thanks again for tuning in, and have a great day. Our friends at Homestead Inspection Company have been serving the Kansas City metro area for over 27 years. Homestead's inspectors can help you take control of a real estate transaction by helping you identify potential problems, survey the property overall condition, consider possible repairs and upgrades, help discover environmental hazards, take measure of your investment decision, and experience confidence and peace of mind during negotiations. Homestead covers inspections for seller pre-inspections, buyer home inspections, multifamily, and commercial property inspections. Contact Homestead today at www.homestead-inspection.com or 816-833-1090 for all your inspection needs. If you're in the market to find a home, refinance your existing home, or thinking about a reverse mortgage, contact Deb Brasel at Motto Mortgage Heritage. Deb's an award-winning mortgage broker who's been in the mortgage business for almost 20 years. Contact Deb today to get pre-approved at 816-678-9283. Deb Brasel is a licensed mortgage broker, NMLS number 299821. Motto Mortgage Heritage Office can be located at 1900 Northwest South Outer Road, Suite 209, Blue Springs, Missouri, 64015. Office NMLS number 1720438. Each office is independently owned, operated, and licensed.